Okay, this time in English. Demonstration of my charger. And so I've charged 243 watt hours, currently 300 watts. Charge currently is 10 amps at 29.4, so 7S is already full, and so we can see that here that's the energy going into the battery at 30 minutes. So the battery is starting to becoming full, and therefore the current has to be reduced. And I've set an alarm to 8 amps. So now we are at 10 amps, and at 8 amps the alarm is going to make a buzzing noise to inform me that it's time to continue my trip. My solar vehicle, and here's these charging stations that you can find more and more here in Germany. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.